To install volare, head to its GitHub repository, as shown here. Now you can find a list of installation commands that we need to run. First, make sure you got all the requirements before installation. So, for installation, you can copy this and use it here. To install volare. Perfect. Now it is installed, so we need to run some other options. Here, using this command, we can list all available BDKs for the volare. We will take this as this pointing to gf180mcu. As you see here, there are two versions. We need to select the latest and install it. So to install it, simply we can use this command, volare enable --vdk. We will replace Sky 180 with gf180mcu. Sorry, 130. Okay. So gf180mcu. Select this hash or commit ID, then press enter. As you see here, this will be installed, downloaded and installed. So I will pause the video until this operation is finished, then we will be back. Now it's about to finish. You can see here only 2%. After the downloading, it will unpack the package to be installed. Again, I will pause the video until it finishes. Okay, it's about to finish. Done. Now, we can view that we had installed it simply by using this command. gf180 MCU. As you see here, this is what we had installed, which is also enabled. Now we can head to schematic drawing.